and today's video is for my LGBT friends. Yes, in fact, I actually went and watched Aligarh movie for some inspiration, and it was really good movie. It's a little subtle, and if you enjoy movies which are very subtle and little things that the director has shown, it was emotional, but it made me smile also, and the lead actors have done such amazing job. So go and watch it if you haven't. As you know, in India that section 377 still exists. So yep, the Britishers had got this law, and they have already got rid of it in the UK and legalized gay marriages. I do hope that the section 377 is completely scrapped, and there are a lot of people, a lot of NGOs working for it. Imagine, like, someone telling you that you cannot love someone, you are a criminal because you are gay. Like, कैसे लगता होगा ना उन लोग को, like how? They must be like living in a country which actually doesn't understand you, which doesn't want to have rational debates, which doesn't want to even understand them. And क्या understand क्या करने का यार? Just tell me what the hell. I mean, if they tell us like नहीं उन लोग के हिसाब से a man and woman's relationship is abnormal. A man and woman cannot get married. If gay people tell us that, then how would you feel that? So what is there to even understand? I understand love. So definitely I understand it. Whoever wants to love whoever they want to, and whoever wants to marry जिसको भी marry करना है, जिससे भी शादी करने का है, I don't. Why should it bother me? And so many of these people must be themselves. You know what I mean? Kuch bhi, like just gussa out like religion, and then they'll talk about Indian culture and all that. Which country's culture tells you not to love someone or not to live the way they want to? But this is all bullshit for cameras. They must be like speaking, these politicians or whoever wants some footage. बुला लो media को and give some bhashan. Now you should not actually force any of your gay friends to come out. I mean, it is a big decision. I mean, they must be like going through so much. Some people know and some people understand at a very young age. And some people take a long time to actually come out, and it's okay, let them come out. It also, I think, depends on the how they are brought up, and their surroundings in which they live, their family upbringing. I really hope if any of the parents are watching my video, please, if your child tells you he's gay or lesbian, then don't go and take him for some psychiatric treatment and all. Apparently a lot of bullshit happens. Psychiatric treatment, yeah, they'll say भूत बाधा हो गई है, or they'll say that he's mental. Please understand, it is quite normal. If you can't understand, that means you need help, not that child. It's okay, you take him to a counselor and someone who doesn't उसका moral down करने के लिए नहीं, like who talks rationally and makes sense even to you and to the child also. But don't start like bullshit वो melodrama मत start करना. पैदा होते ही मर क्यों नहीं गया? I know how Indian parents are, and they'll get this emotional melodrama and all that. So please spare us the horror. If you don't understand something, then you should talk about it to your gay friends or read about it. Don't make those stupid gay jokes. Even in our films, like they show gay characters and they don't have actually ज़्यादा कुछ करने के लिए. They only be like panzoid, and not all gay people are panzoid. Please, they are like normal of human beings. They're not aliens, and they're not just for our entertainment and for gay jokes. I think you should show this video to your parents. This is especially, I'm telling all the parents out there, please let your child just be. I mean, whatever he or she feels, right now, let them feel that. You cannot take them to a psychiatrist. There is no, it's not a mental disorder. It is not that your child is going insane. Acknowledge that, yes, and accept it that your son or your daughter is a, you know gay or lesbian or bisexual, or even for the transgender community. I've heard and read so many stories. It's really heartbreaking, and so many families abandon them. I don't know why. I mean, I am sorry, I'm not a mother, but I if ever I become a mother, I'm never going to abandon my child like that, or taunt them and drive them to commit suicide, or tell them that this is wrong. No, I'm going to just hug my child and say that it's okay, baby. I love you, whatever you are. You know, I'm proud of you, and I'm proud of you for coming out. So, um, people actually live a dual life so many times just because of the fact that their parents pressure them to get married to supposing a gay man even tries to tell their parents, and they feel no, getting him married would actually solve the problem. I mean, those parents need to get educated about this fact, or they should take them for counseling, and I'm damn sure that a sane and really responsible counselor would explain that it is alright for your child to be gay, and please don't force them to get married and spoil that woman's life. I had read one news report a few years back in the UK when this man actually killed his wife because she came to know that that he was gay, and of course it was like it was a betrayal. And so can you imagine that if when you're not acknowledging, when you're not accepting um, that the homosexuals or the lesbians, you are actually, if you're forcing people to get married, if you're forcing a child to get married, you're actually spoiling so many people's life. So anything anything which we don't understand or which we don't want to understand, it's going to have an effect. Somehow it's going to, so it's all like connected, and it's going to affect so many people, and I don't know, I cannot live unhappily. So imagine those people going through all their lives just being unhappy, or living like a dual life, not being able to tell their society, or not being able to tell their parents or their friends, not being accepted by them. It must be so heartbreaking. Imagine if your country doesn't care, doesn't care about the youth, doesn't care about this topic, then you would also feel like, यार ये मेरी country के लिए हम लोग को ये करना है, वो करना है, no one is bothered. क्यों रहना है यहाँ पे? Why? I mean, I don't know how it must be feeling, because I am not a lesbian or a bisexual, but I at least understand that these people must be going through so much of mental pressure, and that how many how many men are actually harassed by people, by the police force. Sometimes they like take bribes, and so anything you don't legalize has definitely is going to have an effect. There will be corruption, there will be people taking advantage, there will be loopholes in the law. So I just want to say that do not worry. Please just have faith. I don't know even what to say. Have faith in the judiciary. Now it feels like a joke almost. So that's all I can say. Have faith in the judiciary, and try to earn that much that you can go and live in some country where gay marriages are legalized. That's all I can say. Uh, don't worry if anyone is mocking you, or don't worry if people don't understand you. You should not feel ashamed of you being you should not be ashamed of your sexual orientation. I hope um, my video helps at least one of them also. And even straight people, if you guys are watching my video, you should learn something. Okay, so I'm sweating like a dog. Okay, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and comment below and let me know what you think of it. You can connect with me on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, and what else? Yes, I would still need a lot of subscribers, so please subscribe if you haven't. I'm gonna just like be consistent in giving you really good content. I hope so. I'm getting a lot of views. I don't know how, but I'm really grateful to all of you. Whoever is watching my videos, thank you so much. That's it, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.